In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix it if videos aren't playing here on WhatsApp. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment so I can help you out further down there. But the first thing you're going to want to do is open up WhatsApp and head into whatever chat has that video in it. In this case, let's go ahead and say this is the chat with the video in it. If the video is not playing, what you're going to want to do is actually back out of this section and then select settings and scroll down on the settings page until you see storage and data. From here, go ahead and find the option for the media auto download section and find the video section specifically within here and make sure it is set to Wi-Fi and cellular instead of just Wi-Fi, just like so they can play automatically. Then go back to that chat and see if that video is now playable. If that doesn't work, go ahead and close and reopen up WhatsApp. But after you do reopen up WhatsApp, go ahead and actually open up your phone settings. And if you're on an iPhone, go ahead and head into General and then scroll down to iPhone Storage. And then scroll down on this page until you specifically see WhatsApp within here. It's going to be alphabetically ordered, so you may have to scroll all the way down towards the bottom. And go ahead and select Offload App and then reinstall it. If you're on an Android, simply clear the cache and storage, and this is going to reset the app and usually fixes any bugs. If you are still stuck, open up a browser and just search "is WhatsApp down" on Down Detector. If you do see spikes and reports, the issue is on WhatsApp, not you, and you just need to wait. Finally though, if you're still having issues, try restarting your phone by holding the side button and turning it off and then turning it back on. But that's it, your video should be playing again. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. And if you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.